So today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on your Lexus CT200h. This one's a 2012. Okay, and first we're going to go ahead and pop our hood, and the things are right there. Then we've got our little guy right here. And then we're going to go ahead and locate our oil cap. This one says 020. I use 530 just because I go with a little bit thicker. I think this one leaks a little bit, or not leaks, but burns it. And when you go with a little bit heavier weight, it helps slow down the leak, but it will void any kind of warranty. But if you're doing your own oil changes, it's going to be hard to fulfill any kind of warranty because you won't be able to prove that you're getting your oil change done anyway. So, first thing you're going to need probably this little guy right here. This is a Toyota oil filter remover. Let's see if we got a part number on this thing. Doesn't look like it. But if you go to like a part store or something and ask for the Toyota one, they'll probably know what you're talking about. Now this one, I believe you can change it without lifting it. I'll show you. If you want to get under there and just grab and reach for it, I'll show you where. But I'm going to lift this one and give you a more detailed shot. But if you reach back here, you can see how, see right now I'm touching the plug, and then just beyond the plug, now I'm touching where you get to the oil filter. So I'll go ahead and lift it and show you that stuff better. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and take a look at it. Also, whenever you lift your car, it's always a good idea to go ahead and check your front end for play. So just grab each end of the tire, and you want to take both hands. I'm using my one hand, but do like a back and forth motion. That'll check your tie rod ends, and then grab it from the bottom with both hands, hand up top too, and do this motion. If there's any kind of play, that could indicate like a wheel bearing, ball joint, or control arm bushings or something like that. So it's always a good idea to do that when you're doing an oil change, and like before a trip or something like that. Anyways, now we are looking underneath our car, and here is your drain plug. That looks like a 14, and then here is your oil filter, and that's where we're gonna take this guy right here. And you'll take a ratchet and you just set them right up on here like so. Take a ratchet and we just put our ratchet right up there and begin to loosen it just like that. And I'll show you when I get it off what it looks like taking your filter out and all that. Okay, and when you take it out, this is what it's going to look like. First thing we got here is on the housing, there's a rubber O-ring. You could really just take your fingers and go ahead and kind of work this guy off. We're going to change this usually every time. It's just a good idea because it comes with one and it's not very hard. So we'll slip our new one right back on there and around it. And you can see the tools on the housing, and this old filter just kind of pulls right out. And then we'll set him off to the side, and we're just gonna look at how this one was. Boom, boom, like so. And then I don't think it matters. Yeah, same on both sides. And then we're just gonna drop this guy back. And actually, before we drop this in, we're gonna make sure we get all the old oil out. So we'll take that over the drain pin, just dump it out, and then we'll just drop this guy right back in. You just kind of do that and tap them back in, get your new O-ring on. Then you'll just take this whole unit, stick it back up in there, twist it on, tighten it good and tight, and that's it. So that's going to conclude our little project for today.